Today's video is for those of you who are tired, truly tired. Tired of chasing money, tired of working harder and harder, tired of living in constant stress. Maybe you feel like no matter how much you do, it's never enough. You feel empty, burnt out, and lost. If that is you, please stay with me. Because today, I want to share with you what the Buddha really meant when he said, "Let go." You have probably heard it many times. Let go of your attachments, and you will be happy. But what does that even mean? Most people think letting go means throwing things away. They think, if I stop caring about money, stop caring about my house, stop caring about my job, maybe then I will be happy. But this is not true. Even the Buddha never said, abandon your money, abandon your family, abandon your life. What he said was much deeper and much more practical. Attachment is not about the things outside of you. Attachment lives inside the mind. Think of it like this. You want more money. You believe that only if you earn a certain amount, only if you buy that house or car, only if you reach that dream, then you will finally rest. But notice something. Every time you reach a goal, the mind creates a new one. It says, this is not enough. Go for more. And so you keep running and running like a hamster on a wheel. The stress is not coming from money itself. It comes from the desire, the endless craving inside the mind. The Buddha gave us a beautiful picture to understand this. Imagine you are pulling a cow with a rope. You pull one way, the cow pulls the other. Your hands hurt, not because of the cow, but because you are holding the rope so tightly. Money is like that rope. You hold it tight, with fear and craving. What if I lose it? What if I don't have enough? What if tomorrow something bad happens? The pain comes from your grip, not from money itself. Letting go doesn't mean throwing away the rope. It means loosening your grip. Here is the truth the Buddha taught. Everything changes. Your job will change. Your financial situation will change. Your body will change. Even your relationships will change. The problem is, we keep expecting things to stay permanent. We believe, if I just work hard enough, I can make my life secure forever. But life never works that way. When you understand this, when you accept that everything is temporary, then suddenly the stress begins to drop. Think about watching a magic show. If you don't know how the trick works, you are amazed, confused, maybe even fooled. But once you know how the trick is done, the magic does not control you anymore. You can still enjoy the show, but you are free. Life is the same. Money, success, failure, they are tricks of the world. If you don't see clearly, they control you. But once you understand they are temporary, just illusions, you can enjoy life without being trapped by it. Now, some of you may ask, if I let go of my desire, will I still enjoy life? The answer is yes. When you let go of the clinging, you can enjoy life even more. You can enjoy a meal, knowing it is just for now. You can enjoy your family, knowing every moment is precious. You can enjoy money, using it wisely, without being enslaved by it. Letting go does not take joy away. It gives freedom. Now let's come back to you. If you are suffering from money problems, maybe your mind is screaming, I need more to survive. If I don't succeed, my life is over. Everyone else is ahead of me. I want you to breathe. Right now. Because here is a truth. You came to this world with nothing. You will leave this world with nothing. The house, the car, the bank account, none of these are truly yours. They are things you are allowed to use for a short time. When you realize this, the pressure begins to melt away. You no longer need to prove yourself to the world. You can still work, still earn, still use money, but with peace, not fear. So how do we practice this? See change everywhere. Every morning, remind yourself, this day will change. My body will change. My life will change. When you see impermanence, you stop demanding that things stay forever. Loosen the grip. When stress about money comes, picture that rope in your hand. Breathe. Say to yourself, I can loosen my grip. I can work, but I don't need to suffer. Enjoy without owning. Use what you have without saying, this is mine forever. Think of everything as borrowed from life. There was once a man who chased wealth all his life. He worked day and night, sacrificed health, sacrificed peace, sacrificed love. At the end, he said, I wasted my life. I was rich, but I never rested. The Buddhist teaching saves us from this mistake. It tells us, live, work, use money, but never let money chain your mind. So my friend, if you are suffering right now, remember, you don't need to throw away your life. You don't need to abandon your work. You only need to let go of the craving, the burning fire inside that says, this must last forever. This must make me secure. When you let go of that fire, peace begins. And strangely, when you are peaceful, even money becomes easier to handle. Because you are no longer chasing it blindly. You are walking with it wisely. Thank you for staying with me. If this video gave you even a little relief, please share it with someone who is tired of chasing money. Let us spread peace, not pressure. And if you want more teachings like this, subscribe and stay connected. May you be well. May you be happy. And may you be free.